Hey sis, if you're watching this, it's not a coincidence. This is your moment. You're good with your hands, you know how to braid, you know how to twist, you retwist like a pro, but deep down, you're tired. You're tired of undercharging, you're tired of getting ghosted in the DMs, you're tired of working long hours for little pay. You want more. Not just more clients, you want more control, you want more freedom, you want more respect for your craft. That's what the Million Dollar Microlocs Challenge is all about. So what is it? This is a 5-day experience for braiders, locticians, stylists, and anybody that loves hair who is ready to go from doing hair to building a premium microlocs business. You don't need to be tech savvy. You don't need a fancy website. You just need your hands, your heart, and a willingness to show up. So here's what we'll cover over 5 days. Here's what you'll learn day by day in this challenge. Day 1, claim your crown. We'll help you choose your signature microloc method, twist locks, braid locks, or interlocks. You'll finally know what makes you different and how to stand out. Day 2, the high ticket consultation formula. Learn the exact script that turns inquiries into paid consultations and deposits without begging, chasing, or discounting. Day 3, premium branding for Locticians. You'll learn how to look like money, from your Instagram to your client experience, so people pay your worth without questioning it. Okay? Day 4, the Million Dollar Locpreneur Framework. You'll get the pricing structure and business system I used to go from overworked braider to making over $3,000 per client. Day 5, content that converts. You'll learn how to create simple videos and posts that attract high-paying clients, even if you hate being on camera. So who's this for? This is for you if you're a braider who's ready to switch from styles that don't last to installs that do. It's for you if you're a loctician who knows you're undercharging. It's for you if you're a stylist who wants to offer microlocs, but you need real guidance. Or if you just love doing hair and you're ready to start a side hustle, this is also for you. This challenge was made just for you. So how much is it? You can join the 5-day microlocs challenge for just $27. Or you can go VIP and get a whole bunch of stuff. You're gonna get a private Q&A session with me each day. You're going to get extra coaching time each day. You're going to get support to build your actual microlocs offer. And if after showing up for 5 days, camera on, doing the work, you don't believe this was worth 10 times what you paid, I'll give your money back. And you get to keep the bonuses and whatever you learn for free. So real talk, this is not a course. This is not a webinar. It is a challenge. You will be pushed. I'm gonna push you, I'm gonna stretch you, and by the end, you'll walk away with a real plan to charge more, book better clients, and finally take your business to the next level. So, click the button below to join. If you're tired of just doing hair and ready to build something that can change your life, your legacy, this is it. Join the Million Dollar Microlocs Challenge today and let's get you crowned. See you on the inside.